Okay, this is the question. Third question, second exercise. Sine 30 value. As we know, the sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. Cosec 60. What is the value of cosec 60?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Cosec 60 is also 1 by 2. Sorry, wrong answer.
No, sir.
Cosec
2 root 3, sir.
2 root 3.
Wrong answer. Cosec 60, 2 root 3.
2, sir.
Wrong.
2 by root 3.
1.
Cosec 60. See, if you want to find out the cosec 60,
2 by root 3.
you have
2 by
to
root 3.
know that sine 60 value. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 value means you have to reciprocal. That is root 3 by 2 will come what? 2 by root 3. So the answer here will come 2 by root 3. Okay. Next, similarly, you have to go for secant 30. For secant 30, okay, if you want to find the values of secant 30, then you must know what is the value of what? Cos 30. And if you want to find the value of cos 30, then you must know the value of sine 60. Then you can do this secant 30. So sine
2 by root
60
3.
is what? Root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. So secant 30 you have to reciprocal. So that is will come here 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So here is the 2 divided by root 3 plus cos 60. Cos 60, if you want to find cos 60, then you must know the value of what? Sine 30. So what is the value of sine 30?
1 by
1
2.
by
1
2.
by 2.
So cos 60, sine 30 will be same, that is equal to 1 by 2. So in the place of cos 60, I will write as a 1 by 2 plus cot 45. Cot 45 is 1. 1. Okay, done. So here is the way you have to find the angles. Only one identity you should remember. So here now, if you will go for now here the LCM. So here is the denominator not given. So I write here 1. Here also there is no denominator. So I will write as a 1. Okay, done. So now we have to go for the LCM. In the LCM numerator, okay, numerator you have 2, 1, root 3. So here I will take the LCM. So LCM will come here 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is the LCM. Okay. So here you have the first term 1 by 2. 2 is the denominator. So I should multiply by root 3 here. So here 1 is the denominator. So directly I can multiply by 2 root 3. Okay. And here root 3 is the denominator. Okay. We have 2 root 3. Actual LCM is 2 root 3. But here denominator root 3. So what I should multiply here?
2.
2, 2.
2 I have to multiply. So let us now I should write down here 1 into root 3. 1 into root 3 will come 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 will come 2 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4. Okay, first numerator LCM is completed. Similarly, you have to go for the denominator LCM. See here root 3, 2 and 1. So again the LCM is 2 root 3. Again the LCM is 2 root 3. So here we have the first term denominator root 3. So I should multiply by here 2. And here we have denominator 2. So I should multiply by what? Root 3. And here denominator 1. So I should multiply by directly 2 root 3. Okay. So here now 2 2 4 will come here. Plus 1 into root 3 is a 3 root 3. Plus 1 into 2 root 3 will become 2 root 3. Okay, done. So here is the LCM is completed for the numerator and denominator. And one more thing you should do here, the denominator is get cancelled. Here 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 get cancelled. So what is the remaining now? So remaining is over here 1 root 3. See here, nothing is given here. So that is you have to consider as a 1 root 3. So 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3. What is the value of 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3?
3 root 3.
3 root 3.
1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 will come here 3 root 3. Correct. 1 plus 2, 3. minus 4 as it is, divided by now your 4. This denominator 4 is as it is. Now here also we do not have any values here, so I write here 1. So 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3. 1 root 3 plus
3 root 3.
3 root 3.
3 root 3. Correct answer, see. So here we got the 3 root 3 minus 4. So here I write 3 root 3 minus 4. So denominator is also similar to the numerator, but only the changes of this 4 plus 3 root 3 is given. So what I write first, I will write here 3 root 3 and then I write plus 4. Whether it is same, because always a plus b, if you write b plus a is always b, same only. So that is why. Now I have to go for here the rationalizing denominator. Rationalizing denominator. Okay, rationalizing denominator. So you know that what we have to do, rationalizing denominator means you have to multiply and divide the denominator and you have to change the sign. So denominator is 3 root 3 plus 4. So what I write here, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay, done. So now here numerator, what is given? 3 root 3 minus 4 multiply with 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by here 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay, done. So now what we have to do here, as you know that always in the denominator we have to use, which identity we have to use in the denominator?
A square minus b square.
A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to what? A square minus b square. Okay, but here numerator first given that 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. So what will come here? 3 root 3 minus 4, that will come here 3 root 3 minus 4
Square.
whole square will come here, whole square. Now here a plus b into a minus b means 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. So that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, now continue the problem. Yes, 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. How to simplify this?
A minus b whole square.
A minus b whole square.
A minus
A
b whole
minus-
square. A minus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, that is the way you have to solve this question. So let us now a square plus b square minus 2b. So a square nothing but what? 3 root 3 whole square plus b square nothing but 4 square minus 2ab. 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 divided by, so here you have the 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. Okay, done. So now 3 root 3 whole square, what is the answer will come? What is the value for the 3 root 3 whole square? 3 root 3 whole square. See, the some students don't know how to simplify this 3 root 3 whole square. So listen here. So 3 root 3 whole square, what we should do? 3 in root 3 means 3 root 3 you have to multiply 2 times. 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 you have to multiply 2 times. So what is the answer now here? 3. This 3 into 3. This 3 3s are 9 will come. 9. And root 3 into root 3. What will come? Root 3 into root 3.
3.
3.
So 9 3s are
27.
27. So your 3 root 3 whole square will come 27 plus 4 square is becomes 16 minus. Now here you have to multiply. Here you have 2, 3 and 4. So multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24.
24.
Root 3 as it is divided by, now again you got 3 root 3 whole square. So you know that 3 root 3 whole square is what? 27 minus 4 square is 16. So now we have 27 plus 16. What is the value for the 27 plus 16?
43.
43.
Correctly add. 43. 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16.
11.
11. So here is the answer. Final answer is